Herman Hollerith was an American statistician and inventor born in the 1800s. At 19, he graduated with an Engineer of Mines degree from Columbia University School of Mines. In 1882, he began lecturing at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he taught mechanical engineering. Whilst at MIT, he experimented on ways to best record the data obtained in a census. It was here that marked the beginnings of a legacy. Prior to his tabulators, the 1880 census took almost 8 years to count. The 1890 and 1990 censuses were predicted to take even longer, with 8 million immigrants expected, more than double that of the 1880 census. Since calculators, adding machines and cash registers could only process one transaction at a time, processing information was extremely inefficient. During his train travels, Hollerith noticed a train conductor punching holes in a passenger's ticket to record details like place of departure, destination, and passenger description. This, together with the jacquard loom, helped Hollerith in designing the first tabulating machine. Holes represented the presence of a characteristic, while the lack of a hole represented its absence. The machine used a continuous strip of paper with punched holes. However, the strip was fragile and it was difficult to find and resort information on the strip. Hence, he replaced it with small stiff paper cards, which could be sorted, resorted and corrected. Metal pins would pass through the holes and come into contact with mercury, completing the electrical circuit. The invention of the punched card evaluating machine marks the beginning of the era of automatic data processing systems. It is comparable to the binary system, with the hole representing the binary 1 and the absence of the hole being the binary 0. The paper strip is similar to tapes used in early computers. The tabulating machine was a system that could process thousands of transactions in a single run, and was the first successful information processing system to replace pen and paper. It allowed them to tabulate the 1880 census in 1 year. Hollerith's machines were also used for censuses in Russia, Austria, Canada, France, Norway, Puerto Rico, Cuba, and the Philippines, and again in the U.S. Census of 1900. Railroad companies used them to calculate fare information. Hollerith founded the Tabulating Machine Company, which was one of the 4 corporations that formed what we know as the current-day International Business Machines Corporation, or in short, IBM. Because of his contributions to the history of computing, Hollerith is regarded as the father of modern machine data processing.